If you're trying to get $5,000 for the holiday and everything you tried so far is so slow, feels so complicated, or just not working, this is one method I am begging you not to sleep on. Most people don't even know that this exists, but the ones that do, they are literally getting paid while they are asleep. And no, today I am not going to be talking about Etsy, not drop shipping, not a stand store, not an affiliate program. You do not have to post your face or go on camera. By the end of this video, I am going to show you the exact type of clips that makes the most money, so you don't waste your time. Let's get into it. If you are new here on my channel, my name is Vanity. I talk about real ways how to make money online and build passive income with using what you already have, so you can create more freedom in your life. All right, let me show you exactly how to do this. You will use AI to create short holiday themed videos. Then you will upload them to stock footage website. Every time someone downloads your clip, you will get paid. It's that simple. That same clip can sell hundreds of times. And this works perfect right now because November through December is the highest demand season for Christmas videos, cozy winter scenes, holiday B-rolls, gift wrapping clip, fireplace loops, and snowfall backgrounds. And the list goes on. Creators, small business owners, YouTubers, ads, and even brands, they all buy this content because it's faster than filming it. And the crazy part, you only create it once and it will pay you for years. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can AI videos even sell on these platforms? To answer your question, yes. AI stock footage is still new to some creators. So right now you are early. And being early means you can build a portfolio before everyone catches on to it. Now let me show you the exact holiday clips that makes money. Number one, ornament hanging on the Christmas tree. The second one is wrapping holidays gift. Number three, which is my favorite, is pouring hot chocolate. Number four is fireplace loops. Number five is snow falling outside of the window. Number six is Christmas lights bouquet background. Number seven is holidays flat lays. Number eight is hands lightning. Number nine is Santa hats or stocking hanging. Number 10 is pine cone, evergreen branches, rustic wood. These clips take 10 to 20 seconds to generate using AI. You don't need a camera. You don't need a tree. You don't need snow. AI does it all for you. You can create 5 variations of the same concept and they will all sell because everyone wants something slightly different. You are going to use a video generator inside Google Gemini. It gives realistic motions, clean lighting, cozy holiday scenes, perfect loop, and fast generation. You can also use Adobe, Runway, Pika, and CapCut. But honestly, you can choose whichever one you want to use. The key is not the tool, it's knowing what to create and where to upload it. You will first go to the video generator site that you decided you want to use and type this prompt. Create a 10-second cozy holiday scene of a hand placing an ornament on a Christmas tree. Warm lights, soft bouquet background, slow movement, cinematic aesthetics. Then you will hit generate. It will create a clean aesthetic clip that look like you filmed it with a professional camera. Now you will review the clip and watch it all the way through. Check for smooth motion, good lighting, clear focus, and natural pacing. If something feels off, then you will go back, you will improve it as much as you need. For example, you would tell AI, make the scene brighter with a more cinematic glow, or slow down the hand movement and add a warmer tone. You can regenerate it as many times you want until it feels right. After that, after everything looks good, now you can download the clip. You can save it in 1080p or 4K if it's available. For most platforms, 1080p will work perfectly fine. Now here's the secret that most people miss. Make 3 to 4 variations of the same scene. For example, if we are doing ornaments, we will make red ornaments, gold ornaments, silver ornaments with glitter, blurry background, fireplace in the back, slow motion version. More variety equal more sales. Each variations count as a separate upload, and each one can earn you money independently. Think about it. A creator may need a red ornament for one project and a gold ornament for another project. If you have both, you just doubled your chance of a sale. Now let me show you where the money happens. You have different places that you can upload your clips to. First, we're gonna talk about Shutterstock. They have massive traffic and holiday B-rolls explode here. They pay based on licenses sold. The next one is Adobe Stock. Creators buy these nonstop. Adobe users get credits every month and spend them. The volumes add up fast on Adobe stock because there's so many users on there. The next one is Pond 5, used for YouTube intro, ads, and commercials. You set your own price. Number 4 is Motion Array. They pay you monthly based on downloads. They have a subscription model, so your clips get seen to active creators constantly. When uploading, make sure you add the category, which can be Christmas, holiday, lifestyle, seasonal. Make sure you add the tags. This is critical. For example, like Christmas tree, holiday decor, wrapping gifts, cozy winter aesthetics, bouquet light, hot chocolate, fireplace, winter background, seasonal, warm tones, cinematic. Make sure you add tags because tags are how you are going to get found. And don't forget, mark it as AI generated. This is required on most platforms now. Most sites have a checkbox for this during upload. If you skip it, your content can get flagged or removed. Now let's break down real numbers. If one clip earns you just $1.50 per day, that means 50 clips equal $75 a day. 100 clips equal $150 a day. 150 clips equal $225 a day. At $225 a day, that is $6,750 a month. And remember, holidays content earns more because everyone is creating intros, reels, YouTube videos, ads, in-shop promos. The busiest content season of the entire year. This is the reason why people make the most uploads now and why you need to start today if you want to hit $5,000 before the holidays. Here is a realistic timeline that you can follow. Week 1, you can create and upload 20 through 30 clips. Week 2, start seeing your first downloads and approval. Week 3, earning starts to compound as more clips get indexed. And by week 4, you are making daily passive income. Hopefully by the time Christmas hit, your portfolio is working for you 24/7. Hopefully this video is out to give you enough time to create the clips that you need to create. I'm going to try to get it out to you guys as fast as I can because y'all need this. Y'all need it, especially if you need money for the holidays. And I know we all do. So I'm gonna try to get this out as fast as I can to give you enough time to get the money that you need for the holidays. So if this video come out in the right time, please don't sleep on the method and do it, okay? It will help you tremendously. But here's the good thing, and here's the part that people forget. These clips do not stop earning after Christmas. Next year, they sell again. The year after, they still selling. You're basically building an asset that pays you every holiday season. Here is the part that nobody tells you. Upload multiple angles of the same scene. Keep your clips short and loopable. Next, bright lightning sells. And cozy scenes always outperform. Do not watermark your videos. Stock sites do that for you. Make your first 20 clips holiday related. Focus on Christmas, winter, New Year's. Get those live ASAP while demand is still high. After Christmas, you will switch to winter, snow, New Year's. You get the point. Just keep switching as the time goes. Valentine's Day. And just keep going. January is huge for New Year, New Me content. Keep uploading winter themes through February. The more options you give the platform is the more chances you have to get found. This is not skill-based. This is volume plus demand. And the demand right now is at its peak. Before you start uploading your clips, you need to know how to turn this into a full system. So you're not just making money for one season. So the next video you should watch is the fastest way to 100K with AI that no one is talking about. That video will show you how this method fits into a bigger AI income plan. Click this video right here next and I will meet you there.